Today, the jury will decide David Ware's sentence for murdering Tulsa Police Sgt. Craig Johnson.
News on 6's Brooke Griffin joins us now from the Tulsa County Courthouse with more. Brooke.
Well, that jury will have to decide if David Ware is going to get life in prison without the possibility of parole, or the death penalty. Now, on Monday, the jury did decide Ware's punishments for all of the crimes except for the murder count. The jury sentenced Ware to life in prison for shooting Tulsa police officer Arash Zarkashan. Jurors also sentenced him to 30 years in prison for having a gun as a felon, 25 years for having drugs with the intent to sell, and a year for obstructing an officer. Today, the prosecution will argue why the death penalty is warranted for the murder of Sgt. Craig Johnson, and the defense will have to argue why the death penalty just isn't necessary. Ware is a two-time convicted felon, which the jury is allowed to take into account when making a decision. There will also be a victim impact statement read by family members before the jury is asked to deliberate. Now, court is expected to begin at 8:30 this morning, which is a little bit earlier than they usually have been starting recently, and they say that is because they want to call in an expert to go ahead and say a few words. The defense is asking that he be a part of this, so we will begin at 8:30 this morning here at the courthouse. Live in Tulsa, Brooke Griffin, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.